Hi friends, thanks for joining me. I'm Premed Mama. We're going to do the MCAT concept check for 1-2. We are looking at the MCAT Biology review book by Kaplan, and I'm reading through it chapter by chapter, section by section. Maybe you are a busy student or a parent like I am, or you just have a busy life and you'd like a different way of studying for the MCAT. This is a great way because you can listen on your earbuds, or in the car, or through your TV or computer. Hope you'll keep joining me. Remember to subscribe to Premed Mama. All right, MCAT concept check 1-2. It says, before you move on, assess your understanding of the material with these questions. Number 1, briefly describe the functions of each of the organelles listed below. The first organelle is the nucleus. The nucleus stores genetic information and is the site of transcription. The next organelle is mitochondria. Mitochondria are involved in ATP production and apoptosis. The next organelle is the lysosome. Lysosomes break down molecules ingested through endocytosis and cellular waste products, and can also be involved in apoptosis. Excuse me. The next organelle is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The rough endoplasmic reticulum synthesizes proteins that are destined for secretion. Next, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum is involved in lipid synthesis and detoxification. The next organelle is the Golgi Apparatus. The Golgi Apparatus packages, modifies, and distributes cellular products. And finally, the last organelle is the peroxisome. Peroxisomes break down very long-chain fatty acids, synthesize lipids, and contribute to the pentose phosphate pathway. Question number 2. A child is diagnosed with an enzyme deficiency that prevents the production of hydrogen peroxide. What would the likely outcome be of such a deficiency? The answer is peroxisomes are dependent on hydrogen peroxide for their functions. So an enzyme deficiency that results in an inability to form hydrogen peroxide would likely result in an inability to therefore digest very long-chain fatty acids. These fatty acids would build up in peroxisomes until most of the cellular contents were displaced by oversized peroxisomes. This would ultimately result in cell death. Question number 3. What are the predominant proteins in each cytoskeletal element? The first cytoskeletal element they ask about are microfilaments. The answer is the protein actin. Next, microtubules. The answer is tubulin. And finally, intermediate filaments. They differ by cell type, but the answer is keratin, desmin, vimentin, and lamins. Question number 4. How do the cytoskeletal structures of centrioles and eukaryotic flagella differ? They differ because centrioles consist of 9 triplets of microtubules around a hollow center, while flagella consist of 9 doublets on the outside with 2 microtubules on the inside. Finally, question number 5 for MCAT concept check 1-2 asks, classify each of the following cells as epithelial cells or connective tissue. First one are fibroblasts, which produce collagen in a number of organs. The answer is that's connective tissue. Next, endothelial cells, which line blood vessels. The answer is epithelial tissue. Next, alpha cells, which produce glucogen in the pancreas. The answer is epithelial tissue. Next, osteoblasts, which produce osteoid, the material that hardens into bone. The answer is connective tissue. Next, chondroblasts, which produce cartilage. The answer is connective tissue.